Hey everyone, I'm Elena.
I'm Alina.
Welcome to our channel.
Today we're gonna pack for our trip. But first, I want to show you our street trip for the vacation.
So now let's pack our suitcases. I have the lavender one and she has pink one.
Yeah, her name is Ellison. So we will start with the skirts. These are our favorite skirts. I have the green one and she has the white one. These are skirts that we thrifted. Yeah. But the next one is this green one, my favorite one. Yellow skirt. It's really beautiful. Simple gray skirt. My cute lavender skirt. The next one I have this cute pink skirt. Here's my thrifted skirt. So this one is the next one. Our mom did the same skirt for us. This is skirt that I made for me and my sister. She has the same one, black lacy skirt that I have worn many times. Skirts are made, they're the same. These are the same white mini skirts. And I have these pants, and I have the skirt that I thrifted. This one is thrifted skirt, like burgundy color with the side shorts. I have these shorts, they're just simple shorts, and these are also nice. My last skirt is this white. We have the same ones with my sister. I have this top. I have the same one in white. Beautiful lacy top in black. Lavender top. It's like really simple pink top. This one from the set. It's really cute. I have this one. It's white, a pink top. This white tank top. The blue one. This one is hibiscuses. Corset. Just a simple short, this cute top with flowers, white lacy top, pink blouse, this one, button up with butterflies, this one, which is red. I have this on the shoulder top, dragon short. Here's the top I made. This one is without straps, so it's looking like that. So now I want to show corsets that I'm taking with me. This one is beautiful. I think it's my favorite one. I made it myself. So the first one is this from dresses. Yeah, I have matching ones. This one. And I have this gingham blue dress. Then this one. This one is just a casual one. I love it so much. And here's the white dress. It's like a princessy dress. Really cool. Perfect for vacation. Here's the romper. Wait, it's like a short dress. It has a collar. Oh, beautiful. Here is the strawberry dress. Illustrated dress. This dress that I made myself. It's like corseted and it has bubble skirt. Also this dress. It's like a sundress. Pink with blue pink flowers. It's long and it's like a perfect summer dress. also take my journal and pencil because I want to draw something on the beach. Elisa is packed full.
So that was all. If you want to see our outfits that we made, we will post everything on our Instagram.
Yes, and also we will make a lot of vlogs for you too.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. You can follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok.